Well, it's banh mi. Come on, everyone knows banh mi's the best street food around, and the rice paper rolls. And also, if you get chance, try the pancakes. The pancakes are fantastic.
Gadt Travel.
Hello everyone, you're watching Gadt Travel and I'm Kieu. Now I have 200k Vietnamese dong in my hand and today we're gonna take on a super exciting challenge, spending all 200k at Nguyen Hue Walking Street. For a local like me, 200k could easily cover a whole day expense, but we are at Nguyen Hue Walking Street, one of the most famous walking street in Saigon. And of course, everything here is expensive. But let's give it a shot and see what I can try out today. Let's go. The first dish I want to try is bánh tráng nướng. Some people call it Vietnamese pizza. Let's find. Yeah, bánh tráng nướng. There are so many dishes here. Look. Grilled cheese, rice paper, baked egg cakes, roast rice paper. Wow, so yummy! Dạ có. Okay. Bao nhiêu tiền? 30.000. Okay, so this dish costs 30,000 Vietnamese dong. There are so many flavors in this dish. This is bánh tráng nướng phô mai, which have cheese in here. You can see we have cheese in here. Cheese. And the flavor is quite popular for everyone. Like anyone can try this dish. Well, they are preparing for a date event, so we cannot walk around here. The walking street is totally blocked. We can just pass through it. Can you see that? It's Cà phê Muối Chú Long, one of the very famous coffee shop in Vietnam, and I think we should try out today too. Dạ cho em một cà phê muối size nhỏ nha. The best seller here is salted coffee, and I think this is also the most famous coffee in Cà phê Muối Chú Long. Cảm ơn chị ạ. Ta-da! So this is salty cream. We're gonna mix the salty cream with the coffee. Let's see. The salty flavor mixed with the a bitter things in the coffee, so it's create a quite weird flavor, but it's a good one. I think everyone should try this one when you come to Vietnam. Wow. Cái này bán sao vậy cô?
Này 20, cái này 15 thôi.
À, vậy cho con một cái hộp này thử đi.
Cái này thôi.
Đây cái hộp này đi cô. Cô hay bán ở đây không cô?
Đúng rồi,
Ngày nào cũng bán đây rồi, cô bán từ mấy giờ ạ?
4 giờ ra con. Bán tới 11, 12 giờ.
Yeah. So I bought two things that look quite interesting. This is cốm dẹp. It's a famous dish in the southern Vietnam. Okay, let's try. Okay, so here we have coconut, sticky rice, and this rice paper from rice. So it's sweet. Whoa. Một cái xà lách này bao nhiêu tiền cô? 30 dạ. Cho con một xà lách. Đây, bác, con gửi tiền à? Cảm ơn cô. Wow, I'm so full right now, but this still look really yummy to me. Oh, this is mango, but with the salty season. Okay. Sour. Nhưng mà ngon. This is chili, really spicy chili. So if you cannot eat spicy, you should tell them not to add on the chili. Oh, we should try bò bía ngọt too here, there. Bò bía ngọt. Cái này là gì vậy chị? Cái dưới này nè. À, kẹo này kẹo đường ấy. Em nhớ cái từ đó không? Bán cái này từ khi nào vậy chị? This is my first time trying bò bía ngọt, and I don't know how does it taste. So let's take a try. It's bò bía ngọt, which is mean really sweet. So we have candy here, made originally from sugar, and this is coconut, and some kind of meringue. Yeah, you guys can try it from the stall right there. Her motorbike, really good, really good. Bao nhiêu một cây bao nhiêu vậy chị?
20 bạn nha.
Một cây 20 hả? Vậy cho em 2 cây ạ. Okay, so this is rock and this is sausage and this is a trendy street food in Vietnam in 2024. Wow. This looks like chili, but actually it's not spicy at all. So you can try it even if you cannot eat spicy food. Hey guys, so my stomach is really full now. Here's the status of our purchase, 0. This is a surprising result for me. Even this is not my first time here in phố đi bộ Nguyễn Huệ. However, I would recommend that if you want to try the dishes I just had, you can easily find them around the streets in Saigon. You don't really have to come to Nguyen Hue Walking Street to find this. Anyway, I have such a wonderful experience here at Nguyen Hue Walking Street. And if you want me to do any other challenges, please feel free to leave the comment below. I'm gonna take a last scroll around here before heading home. I'm Kieu and you're watching Gadt Travel.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Hi from Australia.
Gadt Travel. Your smile, our happiness.